Okay, number 23. We're going to use our z-test again to do this. So we need our calculators pulled up. And we're going to hit stat. And we're going to scroll over 2 times and hit z-test. Okay? Make sure it's on stats. We can just delete this. And then delete the top one. Sometimes this doesn't do right. So, especially on this one. So, I'm going to just try to reset. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, so here we go. So, we go over the stats. We go over the z-test. And then, so we make sure it's on stats. Okay, so we're going to have a mean of... It says the average. If it says the average, that's another way of saying mean. So the mean or average is 52. They got a standard deviation of 11. Okay? And it says how many would be expected to weigh 64. So we need to know how many is going to be 64. Okay? And then n is going to be 1. And then we're going to scroll over. Well, it actually said how many would be expected to weigh 64. So that's equal. And then we're going to go over to draw. We're going to do enter. And you're going to have your little chart come up. And we want the probability down here. And it's 0.2753. 0.2753. And then remember, if we change that to a percent, we just move our decimals 2 places. That'd be 27.53%. But we're not finished because it said if there are 100 in the unit, how many would be expected? So what we have to do is, remember this is our problem where we have to multiply. So we can actually keep it like this and then multiply by 100. So let's bring our calculator back up. 0.2753 times 100. That would give us 27.53. And so we know we can't have $27.53. So approximately $28. So try the rest of it.